Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A03s smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can add floating extra shutter button in your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. Sometimes extra shutter button will help you to easily touch on the shutter button and you can conveniently take any photo or video. Okay, see here. I would like to set the extra shutter button. Always there will be a shutter button in the in the middle of the frame. Okay, below here. That is in the home button area. They will be displayed. See here. I go to camera and see here. This is the shutter button. Okay, if you press it, if you press it, camera will be acting and you can take photo. Okay, for video you can press it. Okay, so if you want to use the extra shutter button, then you can easily assign. For that, go to the settings of the camera here and go to shooting methods, and here just turn on this button, floating shutter button. So one more extra button will be added. See here, this is the extra floating shutter button. You can place wherever you want on the screen. Okay, suppose if you are taking a selfie, okay, if it's not, if it is far away, this shutter button, default shutter button, then you can easily use this shutter button, extra shutter button, and you can take pictures using extra shutter button. Okay, according to your convenient, you can place it anywhere on the screen, even in the left side you can place. Okay, for video it's not available, only for photo extra floating shutter button is available. If you want to remove this extra shutter button, go to the settings again here and then go to shooting methods, then turn off this button, floating shutter button. Now you will not see extra floating shutter button, only you will see default floating shutter button. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.